Our deputy president said it, that we're going to print the country slowly into blue. And we accepted our brothers from all over the corner of the country. We are one people. It's a contest. It'll come to an end. Therefore, let us not start any fight with anybody else in the country.
And Matek didn't emphasize that it has been an intensive 4-month campaign for the coalition. What was the scenario like in Kisii County?
Of course, you have seen the results. They explain themselves, how things happened in Kisii, and I'm happy that indeed we had put a worth fight before my opponents that we had out of all of them, and the results themselves showed the fight that we had. But more importantly is that we are delivering the mandate that will be given by our people, all that we have been shown that is going to happen in Kisii County as the governor, the second governor of Kisii myself.
Finally, this is your first take as a governor for not only Kisii County, but now you hold a very massive office right from Dagoretti in Nairobi. What can you say you are expecting in the coming days, in the first 100 days?
In Kisii, I'm going to instill some discipline. There is discipline which has been lacking there. Therefore, that is number one, to seal all loopholes of siphoning of the public money. You guys, even including citizens, you are in my constituency in Dagoretti, or you are in my constituency in Dagoretti North. You know what we have done there. We're going to bring discipline. If there is discipline in managing of the public fund, be sure people will be happy. There will be medicine in hospitals, there will be water, roads will be there. We have small land, but very productive. We are going to have a number of our people into investment.
Finally, Governor-elect, in terms of when are we next expecting such a meeting? Because you have been told by your party leadership, or rather coalition's leadership, to stay put in Nairobi to monitor what's going on in Bomas. But at the same time, you also needed maybe to just finalize some of the preparations process in your various constituencies where you were elected. When are we expecting a next meeting like this?
Probably we'll be having it in Bomas. That's the next meeting we'll be having, when Baba is going to receive his certificate, because indeed he has won the elections. We're expecting that Kenyans will come out, let there be celebration all over Mombasa, Eldoret, Kisumu, Kisii, Nairobi. We're expecting celebrations to start immediately because Baba has won this exercise.
And that can only be announced by the IEBC.